tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If not, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I release. So friends, before we start this video, first of all, I would like to tell you that this is a video about July 2021 predictions. But before we start the video, I would like to tell you that I have also launched another brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream solution brand. So that is a brand which offers multiple astro streams to arrive at a solution which suits you best. So do check out this channel, Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do check out my website, which will be releasing soon under the name astrovruksbyshefali.com, and do explore the services under this brand, because we offer very practical and very scientific and realistic approach towards your solution of your problem. So we offer integrated destiny management solutions, which says that we offer a multi-stream approach to arrive at a solution of your problem so that you get the best possible choices at hand. So let's now quickly jump to your sun sign based predictions for July 2021. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Aquarians, let's see what's in cards for you for July 2021. We will start with your energy oracle card. People who are born from 20th of January to 18th of February are Aquarians. Let's see what's in cards for them. Friends, as I always tell you that this is a generalized reading, so I try to give more and more options depending upon the messages that I get. So just try to align with the message that suits you most depending upon your current situation. So we'll start with your energy oracle card. We have Archangel Uriel, that is 7th chakra energy, which is aligned with you. So somewhere in the coming month there is a possibility of psychic development. There is a possibility that your intuition will be heightened to a very different level. So people who are on spiritual journey, yes, this is the best time for you to get your spirituality enhanced, because we have coincidentally we have all the three cards which are suggesting improvement in your third eye chakra. So we have a psychic development card here. In chakra advice card we have three third eye chakra for your angel advice, as well as we have 7th chakra card, which is suggesting that this is the month. It is shouting loud that this is the month for your psychic development, for your spiritual growth. So get aligned to your spiritual self, spiritual energy, and get aligned to your life purpose. So let's see what other cards are suggesting. We have we have 8 of Pentacles in the pride position in your relationship segment. So somewhere this card is suggesting that you are going to work on your relationships in the coming months. Somewhere you are going to really take a lot of efforts to work on your relationship, past relationships, as well as building new relationships. So you are going to position your past relationship in a very you're going to preserve them at a very in a very good way, and you are going to build on the new relationships, and that is going to really help you feel happy and satisfied, because somewhere you are taking a lot of efforts to build them. So if you are in marriage, it could be you are working on your marriage and taking your family to a next level in terms of financial investment, in terms of building assets, and building memories for each other. For people who are not married yet, for them they might be planning for marriage or building for their married life or a family life. For people who are singles, they might be actually exploring to meet people by showcasing their positive traits and working on their presentation. So overall it's looking that you are planning to attract a better family life, a better relationship status, and you're totally working hard to make it happen. Don't compromise on certain important things in relationships is the message for you. You might have to compromise on certain things, but just be aware on what you're compromising on. Don't compromise to an extent that it doesn't keep you happy over the period. So compromise is evident, but too much of compromise is not advised. So just it will be different for everybody on what level you need to compromise. Okay, so that is the message for relationship. Coming to your career, we have High Priestess card in the pride position. Somewhere this card is suggesting that you are looking highly intuitive in the coming month in terms of your career growth. You might be elevated to a leadership position. You might be seen as a very intelligent person, or a very well-read and a well-researched person in your field of expertise. There is a possibility that people might see you as a very senior leader in the industry that you belong to, and who knows pros and cons, and who is very well and analytically who is very well read and analytically very apt and practical person. So there is a possibility of some growth in terms of your image in the career segment. There is a possibility of some lady of significance who is very well settled and very well positioned in your industry, who might support you, or you might be elevated to a level that people look up to you as a very senior person and a very well read and a experienced person. Your intuitive guidance is looking very high. So don't hesitate to adventure in a new field. If at all you get an opportunity, there is a possibility that you will be elevated to something which you never expected. And you might have to adventure out in a very different zone. So enter that zone with a thirsty mind like a child, and explore different aspects of that field, because you are seen as a very matured learner and a performer. So use that to your advantage and adventure to the optimum level. So don't block yourself by preconceived notions. Explore your better career. For the better career for you is ahead, actually. Also, people who have been in an education field, they might be blessed with some really good education opportunities and skill enhancement opportunities. Coming to finances, we have Four of Pentacles in the financial segment. Now, Four of Pentacles is somewhere suggesting you to hold on with your financial planning. Hold on where you are. Don't take any hasty decisions. Don't take any investment decisions. Don't let anything go. Don't buy anything. Just hold on where you are. There is a rebirth around the corner. So total shift in the way you plan your finances expected. So just wait and watch until that thing opens up for you. Coming to your health, we have Nine of Cups in the reverse position. This card is very much suggesting that you were in the best of the health situation, but somewhere you are feeling blocked right now, that you are not able to access that optimum state of your health. So go moment to moment. It's just a matter of time that you will get healed and you will be back to normal. So psychic development is very much around the corner. So just align yourself with the divine source, and you will be blessed with the high intuitive guidance in the coming time. Even angels are advising to focus on third chakra, which is going to actually align you with the right divine energy and get the guidance from there. So I really hope, Aquarians, this reading helps you guys. Take care, friends. So friends, I really hope this reading will help you to plan your life in future. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook page, LinkedIn account, as well as on my Facebook group, Astro Vruksha by Shefali, which is a combined group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruksha by Shefali brand. So we operate 3 YouTube channels: Astro Vruksha by Shefali, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, and Tarot Reader Shefali in English for the international audience. So friends, if you are looking for any personalized session, this is a general reading. So if you need any personalized session, you can connect with me on my mobile number, on my email ID, or you can message me on Instagram or Facebook for that matter. I'll reply back to you, or my assistant will reply back to you. So friends, do share these videos with your more and more friends and family, because people are in need of help right now, and these general readings can surely guide them, at least to an extent that they can ease out their stress. Don't forget to share your comments with me. Your feedback is always welcome. I really like to know, what do you think about videos? Are there any improvising areas? Are there any areas which you want me to specially focus on? So I really want to welcome new subscribers on board, and I thank all those subscribers who are already the part of the journey. Take care, guys. Very good luck to all of you.